Hello guys, so here we are playing today Nobody Wants to Die. So let's get started.
Living in pain, plagued by sickness, haunted by your own looming mortality?
Okay, ये
Not
death है.
anymore. Now
So
there's
हम लोग
Igorot,
अंदर
a
आए हैं.
technological
हम लोग
miracle
गेम में
that lets us transfer consciousness from one body to
हमें कुछ
another.
ट्यूटोरियल दिखाया जा
That's
रहा है
right. Humanity's
एक प्रोजेक्टर
wildest
में.
dream has been fulfilled. The dream of immortality.
जहाँ पे
Now, when
immortality.
sickness or old age starts dragging you down, you can bid on a brand new body at your local government auction house.
Oh,
Give yourself and your loved ones a new lease on life.
okay.
And don't forget, the body subscription service is mandatory for all citizens 21 and older.
ये गलत है भाई.
So protect
किसी का
your
मन नहीं किया
investment.
तो.
Always avoid illicit substances. Never skip any mandated shell inspections. And prioritize your well-being, physical, psychological, and especially financial. Any lapsed subscription payments will result in your body being submitted to a bailiff auction.
Oh shit.
And remember, any and all violations will be prosecuted by the Department of Mortality.
Okay, so.
Don't you already know who the murderer
ये
is?
कौन है?
That's not the point.
Then at least tell me what's going on.
Rachel.
Just watch, okay? This
James.
is the best
Okay.
part, where he's questioning the suspect.
And when are you gonna question me?
Do you want me to question you?
Don't you want to?
Okay.
Should I handcuff you? We always handcuff suspects.
I
Oh,
think you
handcuff.
better.
यार कैसे
Sounds
कोई
dangerous.
पुलिस पुलिस में काम करता है?
I'm always dangerous.
Too bad you didn't warn me before we got married.
Would
ये
that
इसकी
have
wife
changed your
है.
mind?
What if it had? Where do you think we'd be now?
I don't know. Maybe I.
ये लोग मूवी
maybe I
देखने आए थे.
wouldn't have.
Huh?
हैं? ओ ये क्या हो रहा है? ओ ओ ओ ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? कोई अटैक कर दिया क्या? आई गेस इसको किसी चीज़ का अटैक आ रहा है. मतलब वो वाला अटैक में किसी चीज़ की मेडिसिन ले रहा है. इसको किसी चीज़ के अटैक्स आ रहे हैं. ओके. ओह तो इसकी वाइफ इसकी हेलुसिनेशन थी ना कि रियल. मे भी हो सकता है कि रियल हो.
305. Prohibition violation at intersection of.
Breaking news. The president today signed into law a controversial bill reducing the age limit for free body subscriptions.
Okay, so अभी हम लोग एक
Despite earlier promises to the contrary.
Fucking politics.
fucking politics. So guys अभी हम लोग एक ऐसे वर्ल्ड में हैं जिसमें इमॉर्टेलिटी फाइंड कर ली गई है और बेसिकली एक ऐसा वे जिसमें हम लोग बूढ़े होने से पहले अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस को दूसरी बॉडी में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है,
Fucking years
किया
of
जा
work and
सकता है.
taxes.
और गवर्नमेंट इसमें हाथ धो के सबके पीछे पड़ गई है कि भाई. और इसमें एक चीज़ है कि 21 के बाद होने के बाद आपको सबमिशन करना पड़ेगा किसी चीज़ का. मैंडेटरी है जो कि कॉल आ रहा है कोई. उठा ले भाई, लगा ले, जो कि मुझे काफ़ी गलत लगा.
Kara, how you feeling?
Ready to get back in the saddle, Chief. I sent you the
Okay.
papers.
Oh, I know. I'm looking at them. Did you hear this?
Fuck! What are you... Don't tear them up! Fuck!
The accident was barely 2 weeks ago. Look, the committee already thought you were a hot mess. Trying to come back this soon? That's just got them convinced. You know fucking medical miracle, James.
तो
I've been in this department for half a century. It'd be a whole
Okay.
century if you counted all that overtime. All that off-the-books overtime. Bet the committee would love to get an earful of that.
Damn you, Kara.
Come on, Chief. You gotta let me come back.
My hands are tied. Officially.
Yeah? So unofficially, I'm all ears.
Political case.
Okay.
Discreet.
I'm listening.
You'd be doing a favor for a guy whose signature trumps every test and commission out there.
Fuck yes! I owe you, Chief. Goddamn sick leave had me climbing the walls.
Not another word or I'll change my mind. Also, without your sync tests, can't get you back in the system. So I'm gonna put you with a liaison officer. She'll be the one with full access.
A babysitter? Fucking hell.
You asked for it, Sunshine. Wait, I'll
Okay.
put her on.
सो बट मुझे गाइस इसमें एक चीज़ बेकार लगी कि इन लोगों ने एक ह्यूमन बॉडी को एक एसिड की तरह ट्रीट किया है। लाइक अगर हम लोग एक भी मेंबरशिप देना भूल जाते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी को ऑप्शन कर दिया जाएगा। मेंबरशिप नहीं, सॉरी, किस्त देना भूल जाते हैं तो किसी
Sullivan.
चीज़ की तरह हमारी
saved my
बॉडी
ass
को
more than once.
ऑप्शन कर दिया जाएगा, जो कि बहुत गलत है। लिटरली एक एसिड की तरह है। और आई गेस वाइपर नहीं, अभी तो बारिश हो रही है तो गेट खोलने को बोल रहा है ये।
What the?
ओह,
Fucking
अटक
lock.
गया। ओह शिट, टाइम स्क्वायर।
That's for the
Oh,
brave new
shit.
world. So immersive you could drown. But of course, drowning is forbidden. Blocked like any other exit from paradise.
ओह, ये भी है।
Kara? James? Kara? No, fuck that. No way. Forget it, Chief.
You're
Sarah.
already on the line. James, Sarah Khan.
सारा कार्ड।
Sarah, James Carr. Let me go pull some strings.
ओह,
Back in a
दोनों के टाइटल सेम है।
Fuck that. No way. Forget it, Chief.
Look, I said what I said. You're a goddamn departmental legend.
Legend, huh?
Well, okay. More like cautionary tale. Especially after
Okay.
you fucked up half the city with that train.
इसने कुछ ज़्यादा तारीफ तो नहीं की
I don't
हमारी।
remember much about the accident. People tell me it was kind of a spectacle.
You don't remember? So, what, you haven't synchronized yet?
I'm in sync like a fucking Swiss watch, okay?
ओके।
Don't piss in my ear and tell me it's raining.
Okay, I'm back. You two are best friends now, right?
Sorry, boss.
Sarah, I've sent you all the authorizations. Forward the package to Kara. Listen, he's a good cop. Just keep an eye on him, okay? Steiner out.
All right, let's get the show on the
Okay.
road. I need the address of the nearest post office.
Fine.
EX एस्टिमेटेड। बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं, कहीं बता सकते हैं शायद से। ये बताते हैं।
Warn you though, I am not saving anybody from Demmer. I got principles.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm talking about how they make such awful food. Anybody who works there deserves whatever happens to them.
James, the post office?
ओह, तो ये क्या है?
That girl in the hat overshadows more and more of the city, doesn't she?
Sorry,
Well, the one from the body auction ad?
I haven't seen it.
How could you not see it? It's on every goddamn corner. Looks like TS-45-7.
You're in
मैं इन
Times
लोग को एक
Square?
ऑप्शन देना चाहिए था।
It's the last place they play good old-fashioned crime stories.
Yeah.
ओके,
You like watching how the cops used to do it?
वैसे भी हम लोग मूवी
Detectives,
देखने आए थे।
not cops. Big difference.
I'll take your word for it. Okay, movie
Okay,
buff. Go
so-
for the package. Platform 53D, Terminal 3.
हम लोग मूवी देखने आए थे तो मैंने वही बोल दिया। ओके, सो स्टार्ट कैसे करते हैं इसको? ओके, सो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ। हम लोगों ने अपनी विंडो खोल ली है। हाँ, सनरूफ खोल ली है, सॉरी। और अभी यहाँ से हम लोग जा रहे हैं पैकेज रिसीव करने के लिए।
Having a goal, any goal, is better than inactivity. An alternative to focusing on the symptoms and the memories. I'm 120 years old.
Oh
And I
bro.
don't have any strength left to keep recalling the past.
ओके सो ये बेसिकली फोर्सफुली काम कर रहा है ताकि ये बिजी रहे और अपनी मेमोरीज को ना ध्यान दे। सो ये फोर्सफुली काम कर रहा है बेसिकली, बस ये काम करना चाहता है ताकि ये अपने आप को बिजी रख सके और अपने बीते कल को याद ना कर पाए, इसीलिए इसने पुलिस में काम किया। ओके सो यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक लाइटें लग रहा है तो रुकना पड़ेगा।
Look, James, we got off on the wrong foot.
व्हाट?
Hey, people love me. That's just how it is.
I want you to understand, I'm in the home stretch for a fat promotion. I've been
Okay.
working my ass off, so I can't afford any mistakes right now. And, you know, you're sort of notorious for unconventional methods.
Who? Me?
Oh, come on. Everybody knows you don't give two greasy rat shits about regulations. The only thing I ask is that we act professionally, okay?
क्या बोला जाए?
I'm willing to give it a shot. No promises.
Great. Better than
सही बात है।
nothing, I guess.
That's the spirit.
हाँ भाई, वैसे भी तो इसके बिना तुझे दौरे पड़ने लगेंगे तो ले ही ले।
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Somewhere? What is meaning of somewhere?
Hey, Sarah. You know why the cops got called to the baseball game?
Because somebody stole second base.
Oh, for fuck's sake, James. Dad jokes?
पता नहीं। ओके फाइनली गाड़ी चली हमारी। सो ये एयर ट्रैफिक है, एयर ट्रैफिक लाइट है, सॉरी। और हम लोग पोस्ट ऑफिस के अंदर से जा रहे हैं आई थिंक। हाँ, सब चीज़ हवाई में है तो एक तरीके से मान के चलो पोस्ट ऑफिस के अंदर ही हैं हम भी। ओके हम लोग साइड में भी आ चुके हैं तो गेट खोलते हैं और टर्मिनल 3 पे हम लोग आ चुके हैं। टेरेम ओके वेलकम। ये ऐड देना जरूरी था। लिटरली आप गवर्नमेंट ने इस चीज़ को एक तरीके से पॉलिटिक्स बना दिया है, पैसा कमाने का तरीका।
Enter your full name and shipping code.
James Cara, 77112P.
James Garber 7712AP।
Police shipment. Additional verification required. Enter badge number.
984.
No authorization.
Shit. Sarah, I need access.
Oh, right. Enter my number. 116739.
Thanks.
ओके
116739.
Thank you. The package is on its way. We hope you enjoy it.
कुछ ओह व्हाट इज दिस? कोई पैकेज हम लोगों ने रिसीव किया करने के लिए आए थे। तो गाड़ी तो मस्त है वैसे भाई, एंटीक गाड़ी है, थोड़ी सी फ्लाइंग टाइप की है, बट इसमें बस एंटीक गाड़ी, बस पहिए नहीं है।
Have you opened it yet?
1 second. I have to move my car.
ओके पहले कार साइड में लगा लेते हैं। काफ़ी एंटीक सी गाड़ी है इसके पास। तो इसके चीफ ने इसे किसी रीज़न की वजह से ऑफिशियली फायर कर दिया है, बट अनऑफिशियली कोई पॉलिटिकल केस की इंफॉर्मेशन दी है और काम करने के लिए कहा है, बट वो नहीं चाहता कि हम लोग कुछ अपनी तरीके से करें, इसीलिए हमारे साथ इस ऑफिसर को लगाया हुआ है।
Badge.
984.
This lousy scrap of metal.
Just don't abuse it, yeah? Remember, you're not reinstated yet.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it, okay? You don't need to remind me.
I'm just saying, it's my ass on the line now, too.
लाभा याद दिला रही है।
This information is confidential and will be automatically destroyed after reading. Select a
Okay.
section to read the files.
मिशन देखते हैं सबसे पहले, कुछ लॉग भी है। सो आई गेस लोकेशन देखते हैं सबसे पहले।
Top floor.
Seriously? You'll get a chance to see this wannabe Olympus with your own eyes.
Wanna tag along?
No. I'm not authorized for field work.
for free work.
You don't leave the house much, do you?
What? What kind of question is that?
I'm just connecting dots. You haven't seen the ad that is literally everywhere, and you don't want to come with me.
I already told you. That's because it's against the rules. And stop detective-vating me, or whatever the hell you call it.
Okay.
The regulations really are secret to you, huh?
They're not fucking sacred, but they are there for a reason. Who's the case for?
Subject's name is Edward Green.
Who?
Hard to confuse this mug with anybody else. Green's
Okay.
sponsoring some kind of exhibition in Central Park. Saw it on the news earlier.
Oh, yeah. I heard about
So
that.
that is
Let me look it up.
connected to a
Supposed to be in a
political.
few days.
He'll have to get back on his feet pretty damn fast then.
Okay, Green, Edward. Oh, shit.
Sarah? You okay?
Shit. Oh, I'm reading up on Green. Holy fuck, you know who this guy is?
Relax. This will be a routine job.
Routine my ass. What are we supposed to do?
Mission.
Get in, pull the Icarite, and deliver to the Consciousness Transmission Center. No sweat.
You're telling me the Covenant Chief, the guy who used to be the Secretary of
Okay.
Health, his Icarite's just lying around in a dead body? Fucking hell! Why isn't this going through official channels?
Oh.
It's a favor for Chief Steiner.
What's Chief Steiner got to do with Edward Green?
Guys like Green have been
Pata
shaking
nahi.
down the city for 200 years. Last thing they want is the wrong people putting hands on their Icarite. That's where we slide in. Play this right, we'll come
I
off
guess
like
इसकी
heroes.
memories
Well, heroes to
इसकी
the right
बॉडी में
people.
पड़ी हुई है।
Look on the bright side.
Maybe
Betting
इसके लोगों का नहीं
Green's
मतलब यही था।
gratitude hits the gas on that dream promotion of yours.
Okay, so exit.
All right, I'm all up to speed.
Then let's get on with it.
Attention, documentation will be automatically destroyed.
तो डॉक्यूमेंट जो है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका है।
James, I know you're not reinstated yet, but
What is that?
have you recovered from the accident? Like, mentally, I mean?
Ask for me or you. Thanks from getting second
Looking
वाला।
out for me or for yourself?
For both of us.
किसके पूछ रही थी? ये
We're in
बोला।
the same boat, right?
Listen, you just kick back and put your feet up, all right?
ओ मे बी मुझे लग रहा है कि ये वही लड़की है जो इसकी एलुसिनेशंस आते हैं जिसे, और जो इसकी वाइफ है। ओ ओ ओ शिट 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 शिट, अब तो मेरा दावा पक्का हो गया। ओके, तो इससे फिर एलुसिनेशंस आ रहे हैं। मुझे लग रहा है कि अब तो मैं कंफर्म हूँ भाई कि ये वही लड़की है जिससे ये बात कर रहा है, बस नाम और।
So I took this job. I'd take any job at that point.
Okay.
Even though political cases fester like rust-laced wounds. I was off to hang out with high society, of which I always had a low opinion. Maybe because it consisted mostly of low people.
So इसका हाई सोसाइटी में उठना बैठना हो गया था, थोड़ा बहुत हाई सोसाइटी में काम कर रहा था ये, और उसकी वजह से कुछ
At
सब
this
चीज़ें
altitude, the
हुई।
air was so clean that without a smoke, I was beginning to suffocate.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the green tower. ओके सो हम लोग ग्रीन टावर में आ चुके हैं। ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे हम लोग का मिशन है। ओह शिट।
James, camera.
ओके
This was supposed to be an accident.
Fuckers hanging from the last cherry tree.
What do you mean the last? Like
Cherry tree?
last?
क्या यहाँ पे प्लांट भी हो जाते हैं,
Pull the Icarite
कभी
and
खत्म
get
नहीं
out
होते।
of here.
हिंट मोड, टैप से हिंट मोड। ओके और टैप ऑफ कर दो तो हिंट मोड नहीं आएगा। ठीक है तो यहाँ पे राख पड़ी हुई है।
There was a pool of lecithin gel underneath the floor, feeding that big tree. Whole thing went up like a stick of dynamite.
Dynamite?
Damn. He really got cooked, didn't he? Well, I'm still gonna need a photo for identification.
I mean, it could be him.
Could doesn't cut it. We have to be sure. This is
Okay.
guesswork, James. I won't identify him. Not officially.
टाइटल
I expected you to be a little more savvy, given how much the chief sang your praises. Ah, don't worry, it'll be fine.
Fuck savvy. I'm in this as deep as you are now. What are you gonna do?
Just check out a few things.
What's that supposed to mean?
Okay.
James, just don't do anything careless, all right?
Moving on to reconstruction.
reconstruction used to restore the elements of the event based on the information collected. Okay, तो इससे हम लोग इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर के पूरे इवेंट को रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं, मतलब फिर से देख सकते हैं। The restored always you to review time. Okay, Q&E से।
You seeing this?
What?
हाँ ये तो समझ में आ गया।
Some kind of anomaly. Who cares? It's green. Pull its Icarite and let's go.
हम लोग एक्यूराइट करके कुछ लेने आए हैं शायद से।
The Icarite's melted.
So, that's his insurer's
Oh.
problem. Come on, let's go.
Sarah, he's dead.
What? Like, you mean final death? Dead?
Sarah, listen. I've seen this before. Up close. Take a few deep breaths. Then we'll start looking for who did it.
We have to report this. We have to. Anything beyond that, it's...
Okay.
I'm sorry. Mm-mm.
Sarah, relax. You're not doing anything. Got it? You're not even here.
If only it were that simple.
Omega code 112358. Suspected murder.
ओके तो हम लोगों ने सस्पेक्टेड को मर्डर ठहरा दिया है फिलहाल के लिए अपने रेडियो पे, ताकि सारा का कोई दिक्कत ना हो।
The right side of the body is more heavily charred. The tree must have exploded after he'd been hanged.
James, stop doing this.
It wasn't just a fire. Find the cause and we're out of here.
ओके इट इज़ अ फंगस टाइप थिंग यहाँ पे।
The gel's flammable.
और
May have been a
जेल
short
फ्लेमेबल
circuit,
करके कुछ है।
Or someone could have ignited it deliberately. I need to find the source.
James, don't fucking ignore me.
एक्सरे, एक्टिवेट एक्सरे, राइट क्लिक से। ओके, यहाँ से कोई वायर जा रही है आई थिंक, जो कि एक्सरे। दिस डिवाइस ऑलवेज टू एक्सरे द ऑब्जेक्ट। इसके नाम में ही एक्सरे है भाई। इंट्रो क्या बता वाला है कि भाई ये डिवाइस से तुम एक्सरे कर सकते हो, क्योंकि इसका नाम ये एक्सरे है जिसे तुम एक्सरे कर सकते हो। भाई कोई ऐसी चीज का हिंट दो।
I can see you're having a great time.
Right.
Okay. So there's something.
The main transformer is under the floor.
ट्रांसफार्मर मिल चुका है हम लोगों को। Oh shit.
Shit, my eyes.
ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था,
Fucking distillery. Someone set up the short
क्योंकि वो
circuit.
धुआं यहाँ से मैंने शिट किया। कॉल आ रही है।
Kara, what are you doing?
What this?
Submitting a formal complaint, Chief. It's impossible to work under these conditions.
I don't want to hear
Okay.
another word out of your mouth. You're going to drop whatever shit you picked up. You're going to write a clean report about a tragic accident. Got me?
You pronounced murder wrong.
I'm not asking.
Okay.
I'm telling you. All you were supposed to do was pull Green's Icarite. End of story.
Can I get it on the record that I
This
strongly
is-
advised against this course of action?
I should have known better. I should have known you couldn't handle it, but it's just an Icarite pull, I thought. Surely Kara can't buck up something that simple.
भाई इन लोग की बकवास
Trying
चल।
to tell you, there's no Icarite to pull. Green's got oxidized. It's a homicide, and it's staring us in the face, like it or not. Now I can look into this, and
It's not our case. Write it up as a suicide.
oh, it's a suicide now. I thought it was an act. Blood. The longer I sit here, the more it all stinks, and it's not just Green's rotting corpse.
ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को एक हाथ मिला है जिसे दबाने से कन्वर्जेशन बीच में स्किप हो गई शायद से। तो इसका चीफ इसको बोल रहा था कि भाई उसको रफा दफा करो। एक
And
एक्से
here he scores a few points.
Points? For what?
This engine could push a car up past 120 miles per hour, running on gasoline, on the ground.
You know, it's hard enough to imagine
Okay.
driving on the ground and all. But 120? No, I call bullshit on that one.
इन लोगों ने ग्राउंड पे गाड़ी चलाना नहीं देखा है। मैं स्पेस का यूज़ नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे इसके विजुअल्स काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
Someone flooded the transformer and it caught fire.
ओके,
The cable acted like a fuse. That's what caused the explosion.
It's getting more and more obvious why nobody wants to work with you.
I'll look for any pre-explosion traces, then we're out of here.
James, I wasn't born yesterday. You said that before, and I don't believe you.
there's something।
Okay, is this some kind of emblem?
स्नेक बना हुआ है इस
Starting to get
पे।
interesting. Someone carved this date long ago. What's up with the snake?
Check the encyclopedia.
ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज कन्वर्जेशन इसके ब्रेन का जो कोरल जो भी थिंग था वो हम लोग लेने आए थे बस, बट ये यहाँ पे मर गया है और किसी ने उस चीज़ को, उसके ब्रेन का जो चीज़ हम लोग लेने आए थे उसको पूरी तरीके से ख़त्म कर दिया है। और जो हमारा कैरेक्टर इस बात पे अड़ गया है कि ये सुसाइड नहीं है, ये एक मर्डर है। सो हम लोग इसे इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं जहाँ तक मुझे समझ में आया इस केस को। और यहाँ पे इसके
Someone
ब्लड
tried to
मार्क
smash
के
that glass before the
हैंड है।
explosion. Cracked
Hand
it
marks, huh?
and left a handprint.
ओके,
Stop it. James, you've got to stop this. What? What's he doing?
Oh, you're finally paying attention. Great. So, now the question is, did Green try to crack open that plate with his own forehead, or did somebody else use Green's forehead like a ball-peen hammer?
Okay.
Why can't we see the killer in the reconstruction?
He covered his tracks pretty damn skillfully.
So someone was here. Fucking hell.
What?
Wow.
You gonna tattle to the chief again?
Would you just let that drop already? What's done is done. No point in picking at it.
Wait for.
Wait. We're not going to work like this. There's gotta be at least a baseline of trust here.
Yeah, well, that's all well and good, except we're running out of time to figure out how the trunk. We may have leads.
Oh shit.
No, I guess.
Shit.
What happened?
The fuses just blew.
What? Why?
The reconstructor needs massive amounts of energy. Sometimes the limiter doesn't adjust to the environment and pop. Blown fuses.
अब ये फ्यूज उड़ चुका है. Oh,
There you
लाइट
go.
आ गई वापस.
You turned on the emergency lights. I wonder what the chief...
He was there.
ओके, इसने इमरजेंसी लाइट ऑन कर दी है.
And look what happened to him.
वाओ, इसमें काफी सारे लोग के सिग्नेचर हैं पर.
Okay, so he's interested in art.
Doesn't seem to be too much he's not interested in.
ओके.
Green sponsored it.
When I was little, I wanted to be an astronaut. But after this disaster, Green shut down the whole program.
Well,
A view from Mount Olympus. Even though we're
Wow.
all immortal, only some of us live like gods.
माउंट ओलंपस पे हम लोग. बट कुछ ही लोग हैं जो कि रियल में भगवान की तरह जी रहे हैं. What is that?
He was clearly trying to get rid of those. Didn't make it.
or someone stopped them.
Oh. Burn or live. लीव कर देते हैं इसको. बर्न क्यों करना है?
Maybe I'll just let sleeping dogs lie.
Thanks. My blood pressure didn't need to get any higher.
तब तो लाश. तो कहीं इससे स्टोरी इफेक्ट ना पड़े भाई, मुझे जला देना चाहिए था. ओके, ये तो खैर पढ़ लिया है. आ जाओ, लाइट आ चुकी है तो देख ही लेते हैं.
See how much good he's done? He helps children. Orphans, supposedly.
We can't know for certain. I mean, maybe he really did help them.
Oh, sure.
ओह
He
श्योर.
helped them all sign up for the first bot. It looks like a door. It must be opened remotely. Maybe I can find something with X-ray.
ओके, हम लोग यहाँ पे एक डोर मिला है. ओके. ओके, ये रहा. ये इसका पैनल मिल गया. ओके, सो हम लोगों ने इसे खोल लिया. एक अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक अलग सा डोर मिल गया. व्हाट इज दिस? कैसे है? अब इसको ब्लड ब्लड के देख लो भाई, कुछ ना कुछ निकल गया तो फिर स्टोरी में हेल्प मिल जाएगी और एक नया अध्याय जुड़ जाएगा. ओके, सो ये सब चीज़ें तो नॉर्मल हैं. उधर भी एक रूम में लग रहा है. नहीं, बस इतना ही था ये. कुछ और है यहाँ पे? एक सेकेंड, कुछ है यहाँ पे. कहाँ से यहाँ से जंप लगा सकते हैं? चलो थोड़ा चलते रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता नहीं और कुछ मिलने वाला है. कनेक्ट।
Something went off here.
ओके, तो हम लोग इधर ही हैं।
Probably some kind of relic.
To the
Okay.
best of friends, always auspicious wins. Green.
ओह,
That asshole
उसके
had
फ्रेंड ने
friends.
दिया।
Hard to believe.
I'm getting a bad hit off this thing.
I wonder which one's the best friend now.
I wonder why a gift from Green is in his own home.
ओह, ग्रीन बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, इसमें तो 3 लोग दिख रहे हैं वैसे भी। तो कौन
Let's
इसका
see what
बेस्ट
the patient
फ्रेंड है?
has to say. Check something out for me, would you? I need to know about a drug called Prose of Life.
Introduced in 2208. It's based on fluoxetine.
An antidepressant.
ओह,
How long did Green get psychiatric treatment?
Looks like he's officially been in therapy for 156 years. According to statistics, that's pretty much normal for people.
It'll be worth checking the file to see if he mentioned anything about a suicide.
फाइल में क्यों मेंशन करेगा वो? ओके, सो यहाँ पे कुछ तो होगा। कुछ नहीं होता तो ये हम लोग को यहाँ कनेक्ट करने के लिए बोलता ही नहीं। ओके, सिर्फ कोई कट मार्क
Matched
है।
Green's blood type. He was fighting with someone.
Or he cut himself as he jumped.
नो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
Sarah, think outside of the box. I can come up with obvious ideas myself.
थोड़ा आउट ऑफ बॉक्स से सोचना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कोई खुद को क्यों मारेगा?
He fell from there. If he cut himself on the railing, there should be blood on it.
हाँ, पहले मिला था ना एक बार।
Someone must have pushed him.
ओह, किसी ने इसे पुश किया है।
No trace of blood on the railing.
So he didn't cut
Okay.
himself here. This is weird.
Green's fingerprints are on the railing.
So he was leaning against it?
Looks that way.
ओ पीछे पीछे, अरे पीछे हटो। ये क्या हो गया? भाई ग्लिच कर दिया इसने।
They came from this side.
They?
Half of the reconstruction is inconsistent. Someone must have been messing with it.
ओके,
Don't have
रिकंस्ट्रक्शन
enough
के
information to
साथ
find the other one.
किसी ने कुछ गलत किया है। उसका एक ब्लरी टेक्सचर दिख रहा है अपने को, बट पूरी तरीके से नहीं देख पा
How do
रहे
you
हैं।
think this went down?
ग्रीन फॉरगेट।
They fought. Somewhere in there, the attacker slipped the rope around Green's neck.
Well, in any case, Green didn't jump. Someone pushed him.
ओह हाँ, ये तो सही है। Footsteps.
Wait, there's a blood trail here.
He must have gotten cut before the hanging. Do you have a UV lamp?
अच्छा, मिला के जरूरत पड़ेगी।
I don't leave home without it.
ये भी लैम्प चाहिए, तो दूसरी चीज चाहिए। ओके, UV lamp always you to be discovered tracks on yourself. Okay. ये
He was
सारे
walking up these
footprints हैं।
stairs. Unusual shape. It's like he was lying here.
Lying here मतलब वो यहाँ से गिरे पड़ के आ रहा था। ओके सो यहाँ से वहाँ पे था और यहाँ पे वो ड्रैग हो रहा है, बट ये ऐसे फिसल क्यों रहा है ये समझ में नहीं आया।
He's talking to someone.
More like he's begging for mercy.
ओह ये किसी से जिसने हमारे रिकंस्ट्रक्शन में मैस किया है उससे मदद, मतलब ये खुद ही हेल्थ मिनिस्टर था, इतने साल तक जीता था, इसके बाद इतना एक्सपीरियंस था, बट ये किसी से भीख मांग रहा था अपने जान की। तो बड़ी बात है।
Another trace of blood.
Hit it with the UV lamp.
Must have been bleeding a lot.
ओके
Well, look at that.
तो
The tracks
okay.
connect.
ये बंदा वहाँ से गिरा और फिर यहाँ से इधर आके यहाँ पे अपना सर मार दिया। ये थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट है समझना। ओके
You think he deserved what he got?
I do.
हम्म,
And it still wasn't enough.
Shit. Sounds like you hated his guts.
Oh, please.
इसने काफ़ी गलत चीज़ें की थी और लग रहा है इसे कि किसी ने पनिशमेंट दी है इसको, बट इतना पावरफुल इंसान है जो कि इस जगह पे घुस सके। कुछ तो है। हो रहा
He's got something on his clothes. Some kind of chemical?
Huh. The reconstructor's coming up goose eggs on its composition.
Must be
No
rare
data.
as shit then.
अननोन केमिकल लगा हुआ है इसके कपड़ों पे। ओके वेयर इज हियर। ओके यहाँ कुछ गिरा हुआ है।
It
Yeah, but
stretches
wha-
across the floor. I'll switch to UV.
हाँ वो मैं भी सोचा, तो क्यूवी के डिस्क्रिप्शन में ही लिखा था कि
Fasten
भाई।
this way.
ओके
Looks like green.
ये
is
यहाँ तक
rummaging
आया।
around the transformer.
इसने खुद से ट्रांसफॉर्मर में आग लगाई क्यों भाई? आग लगाई या फिर रस्सी लेके लटक गया?
The cables are torn out, same as the one around Green's neck.
You think he did it?
I think someone made him do it.
किसने उसे फोर्स किया ये करने के लिए? ओके
Oh, shit. What a fucking mess.
उसने यहाँ पे बियर गिराया ताकि
I think it all looks exactly the way the perpetrator wanted it to.
Seriously? You're repeating yourself.
अब एक चीज़ और बच गई है। यहाँ पे कुछ है।
There's something here.
तो उसने अपना कैमरा बंद कर दिया।
James? I've lost visual.
आई गेस ये जानता है इस चीज़ को। फिर हेलुसिनेशंस हो रहे हैं। ये कोई सैंड की बॉटल है शायद से। ओह वो लड़की फिर से शो हुई, रेचल करके जो है। वो उसे वापस बुला रही है अपने पास।
James!
ओके। हाँ।
Sarah?
James, where you at?
Honestly, you don't want to know.
Whatever. The feds are on their way there, so consider this a heads up. If they find you, I don't fucking know you.
Are you?
ओके
You're serious? We've been friends for fucking decades and you're gonna hang me out to dry?
ओके कोई
How's the situation?
अथॉरिटीज आई
Time to
गेस आ
clean
रही
up.
हैं।
Sarah, if we're gonna keep working together, you're gonna have to promise me something.
What?
I've been honest with you from the beginning, and I need you to never do anything behind my back again. We clear?
James. Okay, as long as you keep being honest with me, I've got your back.
ओके
From here on out.
Then we've got a deal.
Yes. Now, come on, move before they bust us.
रिवर्स करना है सब कुछ।
Nobody'll even know I was here. I'm gonna leave a mess after all.
भाई क्या मस्त लगता है देखने में।
Nobody'll even know I was
चलो
here.
निकलते हैं यहाँ से। ये तो बंद कर ले। बाय बाय। इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या मस्त
I leave
लगता
the
है।
body of a dead god on the flaming Mount Olympus. Time to go back to the
Oh.
underworld he cast us all into.
कि अंडरवर्ल्ड में जाना पड़ेगा उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए।
In the gut of a body not my own. I
Okay.
can feel this case is nothing but trouble and heartache. And even worse, it's personal. A lit cigar pressed against a wound that never heals. That's
Okay.
me. The
So-
second time I've seen Icarite completely melted. Just when I got a little better at forgetting the first one.
सो इसे ये इसकी खुद की बॉडी नहीं थी बट इसे ये केस अपने से कनेक्टेड लग रहा है और आई गेस इसने अपने पास में कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है जो कि ये जॉब ऑफ पुलिस की जॉब ऑफ करके सब चीज़ करके बुलाना चाह रहा है बट अब इस केस से ये उससे फिर से कनेक्ट हो गया है। सो गाइस दैट्स ऑल ऑफ दिस वीडियो। मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड बाय बाय। वन का समय रिकॉर्डिंग